My name is Emmanuel. I'm a Welsh artist, living and working in Germany. I was asked to make a video for this project, Wales in Europe. And it was supposed to be about my work as an artist here in Germany. Instead, everything that's going on in this video is smoke and mirrors. These snippets of work, mishmashed together, are a distraction dressed up as an introduction. I was told that the video work could be abstract and could be a work in and of itself. But really, the context overshadows everything. There is no Wales in Europe. It's a very sad story.